Okay, so I'm going to tell you that I've known a lot of people who went through cancer, and thankfully, the majority of those people made it through. But cancer can be deadly and it can bring upon the end of life. So, let's talk about when you decide to stop treatment and what that looks like. First of all, I'm going to acknowledge that there's some amazing doctors out there, and they will sit and tell you the truth, and they'll even cry with you, just because it's gut-wrenching to tell somebody there's nothing else we can do, and they'll be honest with you. And then, as we know, there are doctors out there that they're going to keep on giving you treatment until literally you're dead, until you are dying. They will continue giving you treatment. That treatment can be awful. That treatment can be painful. That treatment can have terrible side effects. It can be exhausting, and it can take away the quality of life that you have left if you're at the end of that journey. A good doctor, and especially a good nurse, will be honest with you and tell you when they believe that it's time to consider a different type of care. I'm also going to tell you that only in the United States do we use language like warrior when we talk about fighting cancer. I had a German doctor explain to me that in every other part of the world that she's ever been in or worked in, that it's understandable that cancer is going to kill a certain amount of people, and instead the approach is more like, we're going to do everything we can to help, and if we can beat this, we are going to beat it, and we'll beat it together. But if we don't, that does not make you a failure. That does not make you weak. She said that that is a uniquely American perspective. Makes sense to me. So what I'm saying is, it is not weak, and it is not wrong, and it is not selfish to decide to stop treatment so that you can live out the rest of the days you have the way you want to. I would never say that cancer is a gift at all, but knowing that the end of your life is coming is a gift. There are people that die all the time in car accidents, and they don't get a chance to say the final things they want to say, to write the letters to the people they need to write letters to forgive people. And so, as much as cancer sucks, and we all agree that with that, it does give you some options, and you can choose to stop treatment whenever you want to. And it doesn't mean that you have quit on life. It doesn't. It means that you're choosing how you're going to spend your time. You're going to choose how you feel as much as possible. And then there are options so that you can be as comfortable as possible through the end of your days. I'm going to explain a little bit more about that in my next video.